All right,
we're at Delaware County Technical School in Aspen, Pennsylvania. Going to demonstrate the mounting of a Air King BFQ 50 snap fan and how quickly you can do this. Timekeeper, begin. The bracket that the fan mounts to mounts with 4 screws on a stud, which is what makes it such a quick installation. It's called the snap fan because the fan snaps into this bracket. Bracket's level, it's spaced down for a 1/2-inch drywall. New work application. This would also be great for an old work application. The fan can mount to the right or to the left, depending on which way the ducting takes place. There's a push wire connector that the manufacturer provides. This is a 0.5 zone fan. Super quiet. It moves 30 CFM. Is it 30 CFM or 50?
50.
It's 50 CFM. So that's more than is required a lot of times. The wiring compartment is now just getting wired to the wiring harness. Time, what are we up to?
9:10.
Shooting for less than a 2-minute installation. Okay, so the structure wiring goes into the wiring compartment. And then the wiring harness is attached to that smaller compartment. And that's it. Snap the fan in. Time?
1 minute 56 seconds.
Less than 2 minutes. Turn the power on. Power's on.
Got yourself a fan.
Fan is in operation in less than 2 minutes. The BFQ 50 from Air King. In less than 2 minutes you can install it.